The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFMT Conference and Expo.
Specifically for our goals with LEED version 4, here are the things that we were trying to really take a look at. We wanted to make sure that we were really focusing on effective cleaning. Not just, gee, I want to buy recycled toilet paper because that's good for the environment. At the end of the day, the intent really is to create healthy, high-performing buildings, right? So it's not just about buying sort of this, group of green products. We really wanted to make sure that we're having better outcomes. And that's a big overall issue for LEED and for the council, is making sure that we're focusing more on performance and how do we really measure outcomes. Some of the other things that we wanted to do is make sure that we're not only addressing additional compliance paths, so to make it easier, to give you guys more options. And the reason we want to give you more options is, frankly, we love the marketplace. We want competitors to really get out there and find different ways to solve problems. We don't want to just say, this is the one way to do it, or this is the one product, or this is the single third-party certifier that we've all decided has the right answer to what that green product is. As a matter of fact, I want to see competition among the third-party certifiers so that we can raise the bar as it applies to standards as well. So we wanted to find additional compliance paths, and in this case, we're talking about things like Green Seal and Eco-Logo. Are you familiar with those organizations? How do we get them to raise their standards? We also wanted to make sure that we didn't inadvertently create barriers to new innovation. So if we created in a credit, here's how you achieve this point for products. And then new innovations come along, but they don't fit into how we designed the credit. In effect, could be a barrier to companies making those new products. So there's been a lot of change since the last release of LEED 2009, which, remember, LEED 2009, we finished writing that in around 2007. So the current version that's out, that is being used now, really written around 2007. A lot of changes in technology since then. So we wanted to make sure we found ways to be able to address new technologies.